In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate WhatsApp into your WP travel engine, ensuring your clients can easily reach out to you with just a click. This is a great way to enhance communication and make your travel site more interactive. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to install a WhatsApp plugin. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Simply navigate your way to the plugins section and then click on Add New. This is where you can search for a suitable WhatsApp plugin. Enter Click to Chat or WP Social Chat into the search bar, and you'll see these options appear. Choose the one that best suits your needs, click Install, and once that's done, hit Activate. This activation step is crucial because it enables the plugin to function on your site. Next, we need to configure the WhatsApp settings. Go to the settings page where you'll find options for Click to Chat or WP Social Chat. Here, it's important to enter your WhatsApp phone number correctly. This ensures any client who clicks the button is taken directly to a chat with you. It's always a good idea to double check the number for accuracy. After entering your number, you can customize the button's appearance. Options are available to tailor the text, color, and position to fit your site's theme and branding. A well-placed and attractive button is more likely to draw attention and be used by your visitors. Feel free to play around with these settings until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Now, we'll move on to adding WhatsApp to your trip pages. You have two main options here. First, you can enable the button to auto show on all your site pages by tweaking the plugin settings. This blanket approach ensures it's always visible, hence more accessible. Alternatively, if you'd like more control over where the button appears, you can use a shortcode on specific pages. The shortcode, WP Social Bar Chat, is simple to use. Just paste it wherever you want the WhatsApp button to appear on a given page. It's now time to test everything to make sure it works smoothly. Visit your site and look for the newly installed WhatsApp button. Click it, and it should open a chat window with the WhatsApp number you entered earlier. This test is vital to ensure everything has been set up properly. If the chat window opens as expected, congratulations! You've successfully integrated WhatsApp into your WP travel engine. By following these steps, you're making it easier for your clients to get in touch and book their next adventure. Engaging directly through WhatsApp can improve customer satisfaction and potentially increase your conversions. Thanks for following along, and happy traveling!